Regulation of respiration. Now, how this respiration is regulated, by which factors this respiration is regulated or controlled? By control centers and by receptors. The respiratory rhythm means how in each beat we are respiring. The respiratory rhythm can be maintained and moderated by human beings to suit the demands of body tissues. Means what? You can breathe fast or slow, depends on you. The complex interactions of respiratory parts, that is control centers and receptors, regulates respiration. Control centers and receptors, what are they? Now, what is control centers? Respiratory rhythm center. It is a specialized center of neurons located in medulla oblongata. Where the center neurons are located? Medulla oblongata. It's in the brain and is primarily responsible for normal breathing rhythm. What is rhythm? After inspiration, expiration, how much time for each inspiration, expiration is taking place. Pneumotaxic center. The pneumotaxic center is present in pons, varoli region of the brain, which can regulate the functions of respiratory rhythm center. Neural signal stimulated from pneumotaxic centers reduces the duration of respiration and alter the respiratory rate. These centers, they pass signals that how much you can breathe or what should be the rhythm of your breathing. Where is this center? In medulla oblongata, present in pons, varoli region. Now, what are receptors? The chemosensitive area is located adjacent to rhythm center, that is highly sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. There is an chemosensitive area. Chemosensitive means when chemicals are more or less. Which are the sensitive chemicals for it? Carbon dioxide and hydrogen. When carbon dioxide becomes more in blood or hydrogen ions becomes more in blood, these chemosensitive areas gets activated. This chemosensitive area increases the activity of pneumotaxic center, which in turn signals the respiratory center to make necessary changes in order to eliminate these substances. When these substances, that is CO2 or hydrogen ions, becomes more, this respiratory center makes necessary changes to make sure that these elements go out of the body. Receptors associated with aortic arch and carotid artery can also recognize changes in CO2 and hydrogen ions. Aortic arch means where there is aorta, near our heart, the biggest artery. Then carotid artery, where it is carotid artery? In the neck. The important artery which supplies blood to brain. There are two carotid arteries. These receptors recognize changes in CO2 and hydrogen ions concentration and send necessary signals to the rhythm center for remedial actions.